Hi, I'm presenting here one of the many methods to work with MS with the P42 Climax plugin. Here I have the Voxengo MSED. This is a stereo plugin and I will have it encoding my stereo signal, which is the mix I'm working on. And when I'm done processing, it will decode back to the stereo image. In between them, we will sandwich in multi-mono. That would be our P42. Here, since it's a mono, you won't see any more mid-side. Who's going to handle your mid-side is unlinking. Now left represent the mid and right represent your side. So let's start with the mid.
Her şeyi bırakıp kaldım ve Karagül büyüdü. Topraksız insan başkasının toprağını geliştirir. Her şeyi bırakıp kaldım ve Karagül büyüdü. Topraksız insan başkasının toprağını geliştirir.
Last topic we will cover in this workflow is blending. Left will represent my mid and right represent my side. So let's blend processed mid into raw mid. 100% wet is my processed, dry would be my raw. Okay, let's try the side. This concludes this workflow solution using the dual mono mid-side processing.